Hi, this is Techno Guy here. This is my first video. If anyone's got no service like this, or they've got greyed out Wi-Fi or greyed out Bluetooth, then this video hopefully should fix all your problems. What happened with mine is I tried to downgrade my baseband and it messed up. So now what you need to do is, if you've not jailbroken your phone, you need to jailbreak it. I've already jailbroken it. I've got Cydia installed there. So what you need to do is go on to your Red Snow. You need to download it if you've not got it. Red Snow 0.9.6b5. Just going to click that. Yeah. Okay, open it up. What you need to do is you need the official firmware for your iPhone. Mine's iPhone 3G, so I'm using 4.2.1 official firmware. Okay, just going to process the firmware. Okay, that's done successfully. Okay, click next. Let that load up. What you'll have to do is switch off your phone. I'm going to switch it off now. Okay, that's done. So what you need to do now is, if you've already got Cydia installed like I have, if you're already jailbroken, then you just leave it. If not, just uncheck that. So I've already got Cydia, so I'm going to uncheck it. I don't need to install that. I'll need multitasking because I'm on iPhone 3G. Leave that, and battery percentage, I need that. So click next. The DFU mode. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, here goes. 1, 2, 3. 10 seconds, both home and sleep. Okay, so that's gonna leave that on the side now for you guys to see. Okay, so once this is jailbroken, then what you need to do at the end, you might need to download or re-download Ultra Snow from Cydia using the Wi-Fi. Okay, but I've already done that, so hopefully it should just start up and show the network which I've got is T-Mobile UK. Okay, so it says the rest of this process takes place on your device, so you can finish that, close out of that, and I can unplug that. Okay, just put it on the side here so you can see. Okay, so like I said, simple, it's really easy. So once it's rebooted, all finished, should come up with a network. If not, I'll just download Ultra Snow from Cydia, and just re-downloading it should work. If not, it should just start up. Hopefully it should work, fingers crossed. It's helped me because I've tried a lot of things, and a lot of people have said on YouTube that you can put it in the freezer, you can put it in the oven, which I don't want to do. Don't want to mess my phone up, and found another solution after a lot of messing about. But it's just simple, really. Just see, you need to update your iPad baseband. if it doesn't work now, then what I need to do, if I've done ultrasnow and all that, what you need to do, you need to update your iPad baseband. I've not done that now, but you need to re-update the iPad baseband. So I've not checked the iPad baseband yet, but let's just see now. Wait. Yeah, there it is. T-Mobile UK. That's done. So yeah, if it doesn't work for you first time round, the second time round, jailbreak it again and install the iPad baseband from the checklist on Red Snow. There, let's see. Wi-Fi. It's showing now. Before it was just no Wi-Fi and in grey. Now it's on. Found O2. Asking for password. So I don't need to do that. Let's just check. Bluetooth. That's showing now as well. We can select it. Okay, just cancel out of it. So yeah, there you go. It's T-Mobile. But if it doesn't work, just update your iPad baseband. Re-jailbreak it. Update your iPad baseband, and it should work. And download ultrasnow from Cydia. Okay. Hope you help someone. This is the Techno Guy signing out. Peace.